Have you ever tasted the heart of the Aegean Sea? Today, we reveal how a simple boil transforms tough tentacles into tender perfection. Grilled octopus is the crown jewel of Greek coastal cuisine, a dish that tells stories of fishermen and home cooks through centuries of tradition. The secret lies in the science. We must boil the fresh octopus first to break down collagen, before grilling for that crisp exterior. Once tenderized, the real magic happens on the grill pan or BBQ, where smoke and heat create an irresistible texture contrast. We finish it with the holy trinity of Mediterranean flavors: fresh lemon juice, high-quality olive oil, and aromatic oregano. This deceptively simple meal requires few ingredients but mostly hands-off time to transform tough sea life into something unexpected and delicious. Every bite offers a journey to sun-kissed shores, proving that this delightful feast brings the true essence of the Mediterranean rite to your plate. Ready to start your seafood adventure? Grab your ingredients and cook this easy grilled octopus dinner tonight. Let us know if you've tried this recipe.